Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. My name is Devarshika and today we are going to talk about ISO 27034, an important standard for ensuring application security in today's digital age. ISO 27034 is part of the ISO IEC 27000 family of standards which focuses on information security management systems, ISMS. Specifically, ISO 27034 provides a framework for securing applications and their development processes. This standard is vital as it helps organizations safeguard their software applications against potential threats and vulnerabilities. Now, why is application security so crucial? In our interconnected world, businesses rely heavily on software applications to manage operations, store sensitive data, and interact with customers. However, these applications are often targeted by cybercriminals, leading to data breaches, hacking, and other malicious attacks. To prevent such risks, ISO 27034 offers guidelines to integrate security into every phase of the software development lifecycle. It provides organizations with a set of best practices for designing, developing, and maintaining secure applications. ISO 27034 also emphasizes continuous monitoring and improvement to ensure that the applications remain secure throughout their lifecycle. One key concept in ISO 27034 is the Application Security Management Processes, ASMP, which helps organizations assess the security risks of their applications, implement the necessary controls, and measure their effectiveness. This approach is flexible and can be applied to any type of application, whether it's web-based, mobile, or cloud-based. By following ISO 27034, organizations can improve the overall security posture of their applications, meet regulatory requirements, and gain customer trust by demonstrating a commitment to protecting sensitive information. In the next section, we will delve deeper into the scope and objectives of ISO 27034 and how organizations can implement it effectively. Thank you for joining and stay tuned as we explore more about application security and the role of ISO 27034. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.